So as far as what I'm bringing to the table, I bring me, get mine, bout mine, go hard, looking for another like me. What's up? I bring me, whose love is the tightest, whose kiss is the nicest. Me, whose touch is the rightest. Me, bad bitch, that's me. That bitch, that's me. Game bitch, that's me. Lame bitch, not me. What you get is what you see, and I bring.
What's up, LG Gang? Okay, today we are on our way to All Things Made New. Yeah, for day 2 volunteering, or the second time we're going out there volunteering. I believe it's just going to be Kelly and I today. There was some volunteers coming today, but they had work, services as far as like church and stuff like that. 2 other ladies might be joining us, but I'm not sure. But for sure, Kelly and I will be going out volunteering in the community today. If you, and I meant to say this last time, if you want to volunteer and if you're in the DFW area, comment down below or hit me up on my social medias. All of those descriptions will be down low. And I will contact you and kind of plug you in. So we are headed there in Irving. All Things Made New. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If you guys want to see more videos like this, just jot some little comments down below and or like it, and I will continue to do so. And if you don't, I'll still continue to do so. So here we go. All right, LG Gang, we are here in the building. We've already been moving things. I'll show you guys. We've moved all the food back in there. Ooh, there's a little fly. All the food back in there. We just moved a refrigerator. Come with me. I'll show you. Kels Wells. Boom. That there. Oh. There's Michelle right there. She's businesswoman there, Kels, and then Holly. This is the fridge here. Took 4 ladies, but we got that bang. We got it. Where see my muscles.
Now you got and I do some muscles.
Okay, guys, we're about to move some more. Get in here. Huh?
No, just that one.
Michelle said no.
The easier of the 2 because of the double doors. Otherwise, it doesn't fit through these, so you've got to like pivot. You know, have you seen that Friends episode?
Oh, you go
change like pivot. Well, you're gonna have to YouTube that one because that would have been us. It's like him on the stairs with the couch, and he's like, pivot. The couch won't go around the curve. And he's a goofball.
Okay, come let's get back in there.
Furnace gully on this.
Oh, look.
On that one?
Oh. With the little one that slides underneath there? Yeah. Oh, where did it go? That green one?
One behind you.
Oh.
I think that one might.
Yeah, this one I would just use. What are you doing? Where are we going? There?
No, I'm just trying to slide it out of the way. Well, I guess we could go with it.
Oh, to get that out?
Yeah. Does anybody have a desire for that freezer? I don't even know if it works. We're going to throw it away.
It's good, or we won't be able to.
It's been in the kitchen for a long time. Unplugged, so I don't even know if it works, but we're not going to keep it.
I don't know anybody either.
I have one.
You don't need a second?
What about your mother-in-law? She need one?
No, but we could keep it in here when we get a bunch of that meat. Hey, look! Holly,
What?
refrigerator shelf.
Yay!
We've been missing that.
Yeah! I think that goes.
It goes to that white one.
Yeah, this door, the white door was open.
Oh, great.
Is there a ball in there?
It doesn't like to. Oh, okay.
We have this moved in there.
Oh, right.
It's a hockey. Yeah, but it's hockey.
That I ain't never seen that before.
That's what we've been looking for the longest.
I don't know how they moved this, but we're supposed to move it.
I don't know what they did, but we're going to figure it out.
I'm gonna play it with the fans right here. Stuff.
she needs scootering on that refrigerator.
They probably
We should have sent the picture to Colton and said, look,
I
your
don't know.
mom still got
will
it.
move it. They probably like tilt it and try to do it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So we're gonna put this on there.
Oh, it's heavy. Okay.
Yeah.
So you want to tilt it?
Yeah,
and
mine
then I'll
way.
put it under? Alright. Because, yeah,
I
we
was
just
gonna close it.
went underneath it.
Oh,
It didn't even like.
Oh.
Oh, is it rolling?
Yeah.
I thought the feet were also touching the floor. I was like, well, that was pointless.
Uh-oh.
turn the other way.
Yeah, turn the other way. Yeah.
Why
There you go.
are you being
Smile, you're on camera.
Oh.
There we go. All right, LG gang, we are done. It was a little snippet of what went on. We moved a lot. What, a foosball table. What else? A refrigerator, a hockey table, and moved over a whole bunch of food and everything, perishables and all that other stuff into the kitchen. Me and Kelly, Holly, and Michelle today. Guys, I have a few more dates for you guys. Keep on your agenda. Hold on, let me put my seatbelt on, guys. But write down on your calendar and on your agenda that July 28th, right? Yes. July 28th, that's a Saturday. 10 to 2. We are going to come back out here, do a paint party, pretty much. Gonna be painting, fellowship, and just kind of getting everything together for their back to school bash. The back to school bash is August the 11th. Come out and support, guys. I will have all the dates below. And I think it's September 8th. They're having an open house. So there's a lot of dates that I'm throwing out there, guys. I'm gonna vlog all of it. It's such a good thing that Michelle is doing. I promise, guys, it is such an amazing thing. She has girls going to college that never thought that they would. Girls that's been just complacent for a couple years after high school, and complacent in high school or just dropped out of high school, you know, getting them on their adventure of their life, their next chapter of life. Oh, that's my mama! Hey, Mom.
I love this shirt. All things made new. Come out and volunteer. Trey,
Hey,
your mama's sleepy.
you're sleepy?
Yeah.
Oh, why are you sleepy?
Because I've been sleeping. I've been working. I did a whole lot of stuff today. I worked today. They supposed to be in it tomorrow.
Oh, hopefully that doesn't fall down.
And back in my kitchen, I do it. Where I work at, I take all the
Okay, guys, I'm gonna
everything.
talk to my mama. Bye. Okay, guys, I just remembered that I didn't do an outro, but make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe if you like this video. Like I said before, there's a couple of dates that I'm gonna start throwing out there because I want you guys to come out and support and volunteer. And if not in your community, in our community, if you're in the DFW area. But yep, like and subscribe. Till next time, peace out.